Adaeze is 34. Born in Enugu. Raised from age 7 in Luton, England. She hasn't been inside a Nigerian market in 26 years. She stands at the entrance of Onitsha Main Market on a Tuesday morning in January, and she cannot move. Not because she's frightened, because she is looking. 3 pyramids of rice on blue plastic trays. White, perfect, each grain catching the morning light like something deliberate. She does not know the words yet. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, heritage futurist, daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 16, week 4, day 1, Monday. Today, the first words you say in a market. What you see, what you name, what you ask for. Ka anyị bido? Let us begin. Today's proverb is this: Ahịa ọma na-ere onwe ya. A good market sells itself. Ahịa ọma na-ere onwe ya. What is genuinely good does not need to announce itself. It simply is, and the world finds its way to it. Today, Adaeze does not know the words for what she sees, but learning to say, I see, that is how the market begins to sell itself to you. So today we're going to learn how to say what you see, how to name 2 foods in any Igbo kitchen, and how to ask someone else what they see, turning a statement into a conversation. 1 structure, 3 doors. Adaeze takes 1 step in. The woman behind the rice pyramids does not look up. She is sorting beans, pinching out the dark ones with the precision of someone who has done this 10,000 times. Mama Chinwe, 51, 30 years in this market. Adaeze stops at her stall. Ahụrụ m osikapa, she says, quietly, trying. Mama Chinwe looks up. I see rice. Not a question, not a greeting. Just, I see you, I see what you have, I am here. Mama Chinwe nods. Once, slowly. The way you nod when someone speaks your language carefully, not sure yet if they have the right. Ọ dị mma. Good. She gestures at the tray beside the rice. Garri, dried fish, a mound of crayfish the color of ember. Kedu ihe ị hụrụ? What do you see? Adaeze looks at 26 years of absence arranged on a blue plastic tray. Ahụrụ m nri. I see food. Mama Chinwe smiles. Not a polite smile, a real one. Ahịa ọma na-ere onwe ya. She adjusts the nearest pyramid. A small, precise gesture, like straightening a frame. The market had already sold itself. What Adaeze did, naming what she saw in Igbo to a woman who held power in this space, was not small. In documenting Igbo market women's authority for an article I wrote, one pattern appeared in every record. Market entry is relational before it is commercial. You do not arrive and state a price. You arrive, you are seen. Chinyere Phyllis Chikwendo of Nnamdi Azikiwe University conducted fieldwork inside this exact market in 2025 and found precisely this. Formal governance is male-dominated, but the actual commerce, prices, credit, the intelligence of how goods move, runs entirely through women's kinship networks. Women like Mama Chinwe. Karl Polanyi called this institutional embeddedness in 1944. Igbo market women had been running it for centuries before Polanyi was born. The market doesn't just sell goods. It tells you who you are in relation to others. Let's name what we see. Repeat after me. Number 1. Ahụrụ osikapa. I see or I saw rice. Ahụrụ osikapa. Ahụrụ osikapa. Number 2. Ahụrụ nri. I see or I saw food. Ahụrụ nri. Ahụrụ nri. Number 3. Kedu ihe ị hụrụ? What do you see? Or what did you see? Kedu ihe ị hụrụ? Kedu ihe ị hụrụ? I see. I see. What do you see? That is the first move of every market transaction. Presence, recognition, invitation. Ahioma na-ere onwe ya. The elders were not talking about rice. They were talking about you. When you name what is in front of you in the language of that place, you're not just practicing, you are showing up. Before this day ends, say ahụrụ osikapa or ahụrụ any object you want to mention. Ahụrụ osikapa somewhere. Name what is genuinely there. That is the market beginning. Today, say ahụrụ to someone and then name what you see. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com and practice. If this episode found its way to you, rate us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen. Your review is how another learner finds their way home. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds the Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. This has been your Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Chioma Mbanefo. Ka anya gị hụ ihe dị mma n'ihe niile ị hụrụ. May your eyes see what is good in everything you look upon. Ka ahịa gị ree onwe ya. May your market sell itself, or may your goods sell themselves. Ka anyị bido ọzọ echi. Let us start again tomorrow.